How much time does a construction company lose just preparing a single estimate? A contractor gets a new project inquiry. An engineer has to manually measure every item, then copy-paste rates from a PDF, then build the BOQ from scratch in Excel. By the time the quote is ready, the client has already moved on. For construction companies, slow estimates mean lost contracts. For site engineers, hours of repetitive data entry mean less time on actual work. That's why AI-powered estimation and scheduling tools are becoming one of the fastest-growing solutions in the construction industry in 2026. In this video, you'll see a complete walkthrough of an AI estimate and scheduling app, and how it's helping contractors close deals faster, and engineers do in minutes what used to take an entire day. The problem most construction teams face. Whether you're a general contractor, a civil engineer working on a government project, or a real estate developer, the estimation process is almost always the same painful workflow. Extract measurements from drawings, enter them into Excel manually, search through PDF rate schedules line by line, copy each item into a BOQ, build the abstract, calculate totals, format the final document. For even a small G+6 residential building, this process can fill over 1,800 cells in a spreadsheet and take a full day or more just to prepare. And scheduling? That's an entirely separate process, usually done on paper, in a different file, by a different person. This app solves both problems in one place. The problem with manual estimation. Most engineers and contractors today rely on three tools: a drawing, a PDF rate schedule, and Excel. The drawing gives you the dimensions. The PDF, whether it's CPWD, a state PWD, or your own company's rate card, gives you the item descriptions and rates. And Excel is where you try to bring it all together. But that connection is entirely manual. You search for an item in the PDF, you copy the description, you paste it into Excel, you type the dimensions, you write the formula, and repeat hundreds of times. It works, but it is slow, error-prone, and completely dependent on the person doing it. That's exactly what Royo apps set out to fix. Why construction teams are adopting this? Construction companies are moving to AI estimation tools because speed wins contracts, accuracy reduces disputes, and engineers' time is better spent on site than in spreadsheets. An AI estimation and scheduling app ensures every quote is built from accurate measurements. Every rate is sourced from the correct schedule. For contractors, that means faster quotes and more deals closed. For engineers, that means less time on paperwork and more time on the work that actually builds.
Royo Estimate is a complete AI-powered estimation suite built for construction teams, from the first drawing upload to the final BOQ dashboard. The moment you log in, your entire workload is visible. 47 BOQs created, 12 pending reviews, 28 completed estimates, total project value across your portfolio, $4.21 billion. Everything updated in real time, no manual tracking needed. New estimate. Starting a new estimate takes under a minute. Enter the project name, location type, client, and budget range. Upload your drawings, PDF, DWG, or DXF. Select your rate schedule. Then let the AI do the rest. It reads your drawings, extracts every BOQ item, and matches rates automatically. My BOQs. Every estimate you've ever created lives here, searchable, filterable by status, type, and date. Manhattan Heights Tower, the I-95 highway extension, a biopharma facility in Boston. Draft in review completed, all in one place with one-click access, schedule and rate schedules. Your rate library holds 125 schedules, material, labor, equipment, subcontractor, updated regularly. The AI pulls from here automatically, so every BOQ is priced correctly without you opening a single PDF. Drawings. 487 drawings stored, version-controlled, and organized by project. Architectural, structural, MEP, civil. Approved, under review, superseded. You always know which version is live. Past projects. 142 completed projects archived, with full documentation, BOQs, drawings, and ratings. Total cumulative value, $1.2 billion. Every past project is searchable and reusable as a reference for your next estimate. This is Royo Estimate. Less time on paperwork, more time on the work that actually builds. This is the Royo Estimate Admin Control Center, where owners and managers see every project, every engineer, and every dollar in one place. Dashboard, 38 active projects, $12.4 billion in total, BOQ value, 14 engineers active, 27 quotes sent this month, and an average estimate time of just 18 minutes, down from 6 hours manually. That is a 95% reduction per estimate, everything your business needs to see the moment you log in. Analytics. The Analytics page gives you a full performance breakdown across your entire operation. Track BOQ volume month over month. See which project types generate the most value: residential, commercial, infrastructure, industrial. Monitor, quote, win rates and identify where estimates are being lost. Filter by date range, engineer, or region. Every number your business decision should be based on, in one view. Reports. Generate detailed reports in one click. Export BOQ summaries, project cost breakdowns, engineer performance reports, and AI accuracy logs, all as PDF or Excel. Schedule automated monthly reports to go directly to your inbox. No manual compiling, no chasing data across spreadsheets. All projects. Every project in your system, searchable and filterable by status, engineer, and rate schedule: Manhattan Heights Tower in New York, the I-95 highway extension, Chicago Distribution Center, Phoenix Township, Seattle Transit Bridge. Each row shows the client, assigned engineer, BOQ value, rate schedule, current status, and last update. One click to view or edit any project. Teams. Your full engineering team at a glance. James Carter, 12 BOQs this month, 14-minute average, 98% accuracy. Sarah Mitchell, 9 BOQs, 96%. Ryan Brooks, 11 BOQs, 97%. Emily Parker and David Moore rounding out the team. See workload distribution, turnaround times, and accuracy scores for every engineer. Know exactly who to assign your next project to. Clients. A complete client directory. Every company you have built estimates for. Skyline Dev, US DOT, Logapark, Desert Realty, WADOT. See total project count per client, total BOQ value, active projects, and last engagement date. Build stronger relationships with full project history at your fingertips. Support. Need help? Raise a support ticket directly from the admin panel. Browse the knowledge base for setup guides, rate schedule imports, and AI configuration walkthroughs. Chat with the Royo support team or book a call with your account manager. Help is always one click away.
As you've seen, AI-powered estimation and scheduling is transforming how construction teams work. From auto-extracting rates out of PDF schedules to generating full bills of quantity from simple dimension entries to building project timelines automatically. At Royo Apps, we help construction businesses and engineering teams build AI-powered solutions tailored to their workflows and project needs. Click the link in the description and connect with our team. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI business solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.